Buying a stock is simple, but picking the best stock without utilizing a time-tested approach is exceedingly difficult. Global markets are struggling as a result of the coronavirus outbreak, yet with so many fantastic firms trading at what appear to be bargain basement levels, now may be the time for savvy investors to seize some possible bargains. However, regardless of whether you're a novice investor or a seasoned pro, determining which stocks to add to your shopping list can be a challenging task in these extraordinary times. So, which stocks should you buy now and never sell? In this video, we are going to make it easier for you to find the right stock to buy and never sell. So, let's get started. Number 4. Microsoft. If history is any guide, this might be another buying opportunity for investors, particularly in high-quality tech stocks with great growth prospects. And Microsoft will be one of these companies. Microsoft's growth trajectory over the last 3.5 decades is quite remarkable. If you purchased $1,000 in the company during its initial public offering in 1986, your shares are now worth more than $4 million. Microsoft's share price performance indicated a pickup in revenue and earnings growth. By 2020 and 2021, yearly sales growth had increased to 13% over the previous 5 years, while earnings per share increased at a compound annual growth rate of 25% over the same period. In short, Microsoft is not cheap, but the company's price reflects its excellent fundamentals and appealing growth prospects. Number 3. Apple. Apple stock soared higher in 2021, gratifying investors who gambled on the Cupertino Corporation continuing its pandemic year pace. However, those same investors may be concerned about the stock's ability to continue rising after several months of nothing but blue skies. Apple's annualized 67% performance between 2019 and 2021 was far greater than the historic average of less than 30%. Only once ever has the stock grown at a significantly greater rate, in the years preceding the Great Recession. So when looking at Apple stock's performance over the last 3 years, recent gains have been disproportionately high, which may be disheartening to some. The more encouraging news is that rallies are not always followed by a sell-off. Those who have not been extensively invested in Apple over the last 3 years may be experiencing some FOMO, fear of missing out, on another leg higher at this moment. So the point is that Apple is looking promising, and it is expected that it will continue to perform well in 2022. Number 2. Alphabet. You're certainly familiar with Apple through its primary subsidiary, Google. While Google is the major search engine, Alphabet also owns the Android operating system, YouTube, Fitbit, Nest, and the Google Play Store. YouTube is a significant property, rivaling even Netflix in terms of popularity. Meanwhile, Alphabet also has a Google Cloud company, which increased 54% year over year. Alphabet's market worth as a whole just reached $1.9 trillion. If you're concerned that Washington will split up some of these large technology businesses, you shouldn't be too concerned about Alphabet. If it is split up, it may actually create greater value, as investors will gain a better understanding of the worth of each segment of the company that is spun off. Number 1. Tesla. Tesla stock has been an excellent investment over the last few years. As of late December 2021, the stock is up roughly 60% year to date. Meanwhile, the Tesla share price has increased by more than 2,000% during the last 5 years. And there are several reasons to be optimistic about Tesla in 2022. To begin, the firm remains the unquestioned market leader in electric vehicles. This market is expected to grow rapidly not just in 2022, but for years to come. Indeed, Fortune Business Insights forecasts that the global EV market will expand from approximately $290 billion in 2021 to $1,320 billion in 2028. This indicates that Tesla has enormous growth potential going forward. When all factors are considered, Tesla is the best stock to buy and never sell. So, which of these stocks are you going to buy and never sell? Let us know in the comment section below. And with that being said, that is all from today's video. Don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks!